Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. But not the, state the obvious, but like I said, a rough day. But what is very interesting about this setup is that after, just straight up downwards pressure, the price all of a sudden now just gone sideways. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price has started to go sideways after a whole lot of basically straight down type price movement does not mean that for sure guaranteed the price is going to bounce back upwards. My point here is it's at least a valid, it's at least a rational thought to have. Case in point, let's just say that the price was still just doing this, going down, going down, going down, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this might be some sort of bottom. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? The price is literally going straight down. But again, in this situation, that's not the case. It's at least started to go sideways, which is what makes this level very important moving forward. The key level of support at 152.50 for nothing fancy, no complicated, logic other than the fact of, well, if this is the bottom, then by default, you don't want to see the price going any lower. Any lower relative to what? Well, any lower relative to this 152.50 mark. So like I said, that's an important level just for the very basic premise of, I don't know, is this some sort of bottom? Well, at least if it can stay above there, then that remains a valid thought to have. Now, the key level, if there is going to be any sort of bounce to the upside that the price is going to clearly need to break up above, is right up there at the 156 mark. But if 156 can be broken, then that definitely creates an interesting scenario as the price I could see, picking up some more momentum and potentially picking up there and getting up to right around the 160.50 mark. But all in all, like I said, interesting setup. Is this the bottom? Nobody knows that for sure, but it's at least valid and rational to think that it potentially could be some sort of bottom trying to form. So let's see how this plays out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.